Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Prove that root 2 is an irrational number. Let root 2 equal a by b, where a and b are integers and b not equal 0, or 2 equal a by b whole square, squaring both the sides, or a square equal 2b square. That is one equation. A square is divisible by 2. A is also divisible by 2. Again let a equal 2c, or a square equal 2c whole square, squaring both the sides, or a square equal 4c square. That is two equation. From equation 1 and equation 2, 2b square equal 4c square, or b square equal 2c square. b square is divisible by 2. b is also divisible by 2. From equation 1 and equation 2, we get a and b both are divisible by 2. That is, a and b have a common factor 2. This contradicts our assumption that a by b is rational. That is, a and b do not have any common factor other than unity 1. a by b is not rational. Root 2 is not rational. That is, root 2 is irrational number.